Hey everybody, I'm super excited to talk to you today about these electronic Bluetooth earmuffs that have some pretty rad noise canceling technology. These things can reduce harmful sounds such as heavy machinery or gunfire, and yet they can also amplify low-level sounds so you can clearly communicate with people around you just by adjusting the volume knob up or down. These earmuffs are easy to transport, they're lightweight, and they're made of a super flexible PVC material that makes them very comfortable to wear even for long periods. Just insert two AAA batteries and turn them on with a little click of the rolling volume button. These things have a noise reduction rating of 23 decibels, which is pretty standard for the average user, especially in an outdoor range. In an indoor range, when you need a little extra protection, don't worry, these earmuffs have you covered. They come with some orange foam earplugs to wear inside the earmuffs to give you that extra level of protection. All right, let's take a closer look. These earmuffs have a really cool design. They're stylish, they're tactical looking, and they have an imported coating that gives some scratch resistance, which is nice. A little Velcro on the side so you can add a custom patch or logo if you want. And these earmuffs come in three different styles. There's a mono, which is a non-stereo headset. These provide a straightforward sound delivery, so you'll hear sounds all around you, but there's no way to tell if that sound is coming from the right or the left. And that's fine if you're someone like a machine operator, but these won't be as helpful to you when you're out in the field. The stereo headset, on the other hand, will give you that left-right audio experience, which is really useful if you're hunting or at the shooting range. Both the mono and the stereo headset feature a little import jack, so you can plug this into your phone or MP3 player and listen to music. The Bluetooth stereo headphones are identical in their overall design, except for two features. There's no input jack for audio because they're Bluetooth, it's all wireless, and there's a Bluetooth button just below the volume knob that controls music and incoming calls. And the sound quality of both the Bluetooth stereo headset and the regular stereo headset is amazing. I mean, it's no Dr. Dre, but you're still gonna get Bono in this ear and the Edge in this ear, and it's gonna sound great.